We're making quick and easy breakfast this morning, and you gotta have pancakes for breakfast every once in a while, don't you?
Yeah.
Don't you? Well, one of my favorite quick and easy ways to get pancakes on the table is to use ready-made pancake mix and then doctor it up, and you can take it in so many different directions. And I like to start with 10-grain pancake mix or multi-grain, just so it has a little bit of nutritional value to it. And then, of course, you can add all the whipped cream and caramel sauce you want. Okay, so I added milk and melted butter, a little bit of sugar to sweeten the deal, an egg, and then I'll whisk this together, and then I'm gonna show you how to doctor this up. I love pancakes, and it's not something that I would eat every morning of my life, but you know, you can make pancakes and just have one or two. You don't have to have like a stack going to the ceiling of pancakes. So it doesn't have to be a crazy caloric explosion. The end. That was a beautiful story. Okay, so I got the mix mixed, and then I'm gonna turn these into double chocolate chip pancakes. So dark chocolate chips, and I'm gonna save a few back for garnish. And then some white chocolate chips. Again, I'll save a few. And then fold it together. Things you can add to multi-grain pancake mix. Granola, chopped up strawberries, chopped up apples. You can actually add preserves to any sort of pancake mix to give it a little bit of a fruitiness. What else do you guys like to add?
Bacon. Blueberries.
Blueberries.
Chopped, blueberry pancakes. That's a good one for sure. All righty. And if you like flatter pancakes, you can add a little bit more milk to thin out the batter and make them flatter. That was one thing that, it was you know, when a couple gets married, and it's blissful and wonderful, but it's also like figuring stuff out about each other. And boy, was there a long list with Ree Drummond. There were several times I was like, really wish you would have told me this. And one of them is he likes paper thin pancakes, which is strange. And I grew up eating really thick, fluffy pancakes. So what I would usually do is make the mix and then fry a batch of thick pancakes, and then I'd splash in more milk and make them thinner. This is turning into a really long ordeal to tell you about, but anyway, you can add milk to thin them out. So I've got a griddle on medium-low heat, added a bunch of butter, and then I'll drop these in kind of quarter-cup portions all over the pan. Okay, I got them all dropped on the griddle. Now I'm just gonna babysit these over a few minutes on pretty low heat so they don't burn until they're nice and golden and perfect. Okay, look at these, Paige. Come in and take a closer look. What I love is no two pancakes are alike. This is not a pancake house situation where there's like a conveyor belt. All right. I don't even think that exists. I don't know why I said that. All right, so you can do a stack of pancakes, but this is actually my favorite way to arrange a plate of pancakes. You put one in the center and then kind of overlap.
It's like a flower.
Yeah, so it kind of like props up the center. All right, to serve, I'm gonna get a nice big pat of butter right in the center. And you can keep this well-behaved and just do a little bit of maple syrup or pancake syrup. You paying attention to this, Paige?
Mm-hmm.
I like to go around so you can see on the plate that it has stuff going on. But how about a little chocolate syrup or chocolate sauce? Not too much. Look how cute. How about a little whipped cream?
Yeah.
How about some extra chocolate chips?
No.
And white chocolate chip. Did you say no?
I just wanted to throw a no in there.
Alex, come from a place of yes, not no. All right, and then how about some caramel sauce? Oh my word. This is what you call dessert pancake right here.
Wow.
And then what about, I guess I used everything. We need more whipped cream.
Yeah.
Okay. Double chocolate chip pancakes. Not exactly a quick and easy healthy breakfast, but a quick and easy breakfast nonetheless.